Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Oh, that's good for headaches.
That's perfect.
So we're gonna be gone for a little bit, and we've been working really hard on the 64. We're just about there, last bit of like fit and finish. So I want to put a cover on the car. What's great is we do provide covers that fit nice and work good, but there's a particular way that I like to put them on. Let's go ahead and check it out and see.